Hello again, Outdoor Hub fans. Matt Corvessis here. Just getting to the point where we start cleaning up and degreasing our new-to-us rifle. I've got some non-chlorinated brake cleaner here. That's all I'm going to have to use. After that, we can use oil and stuff like that to make sure it's all preserved. But in the meantime, we're going to start up with this. Now, whenever you're using something like this, you want to make sure you use plastic gloves to make sure you don't get it all over your skin because it can irritate you. Got all of our major parts right in front of us here. The barrel and the receiver, the magazine, and the disassembled bolt. So, going to get going here and just start cleaning this out. Just take aim, whatever place you want to clean up, and just give it a little burst. I like to start at the chamber end to get everything dripping out the barrel. You can also check your barrel. Usually there's a little bit of gunk on the outside. This one's pretty good though, so that's something you probably don't have to worry about. So we're just going to let that drip out for a bit. Right here. Next we're going to move to our parts of the bolt. You want to make sure you thoroughly clean your bolt because cosmoline or whatever preservative junk they use can stick in the tiny little parts there. So, just take your non-chlorinated brake cleaner, just like with every other part, give it a good blast. Make sure you're getting all the little nooks and crannies. This stuff is going to haunt you for years to come. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you don't have any wood parts around you. The non-chlorinated brake cleaner will do a serious number on anything wood it touches. So make sure all you're hitting with this stuff is metal. Got that pretty cleaned out. Just going to give the firing pin a few quick sprays. Get all that gunk out of there. We're going to take the spring, blast that, grab the magazine, get a little bit in the trigger area there, and the magazine proper, and let it all drip out. Also, can't forget your bayonet. Let that drip out too. And there you go. You should be pretty well degreased by that point. Can always take a few more run-throughs. I've gotten most of the major gunk off of mine here, but when you get it on the range, usually it'll still come up a little bit. So it's going to take a couple of run-throughs, but you'll get it clean. Just keep doing stuff like that. It'll eventually be new to you.